this to a different rabbi before, but it was a long time ago, and he never responded, and he read the message. Is it okay if I ask it so?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, so David HaMelech, he got cursed by Shimi, but he told Joab to forgive Shimi, not to kill him. So I was confused. Is this considered as insulting the king, or is it because at that time David was not the king?
Okay. It was not Yov. If I remember correctly, it's not Yov. It was as try to remember his name, another general. I think it was not Yov. So he said, my master, should I kill this dog because it's a dog, right? I'm going to chop his head, but very easily. Was it an insult to the king? It was an insult of the king to the king. A king allowed to forgive their honor? No, they're not allowed to forgive their honor. And just jumping, I'm going to return the question. Jump many years ahead, right? When he was dying, David was dying. So since he promised Shimi ben Gerat don't to kill him, he said, Shlomo, like you're a smart man, just create the situation when you can kill him, even though he's the teacher. So Shimi ben Gerat was one of the Torah teachers of Shlomo HaMelech. When he was a little Shlomo, just so you know. So did David forgive him? Absolutely not. But it was under the circumstances. It was maybe a life danger. So he was from a tribe of Binyamin. If they're going to kill somebody from the tribe of Binyamin, it's going to create big issue, right? And plus, David, even in his humility, he said, it's not he's cursing me, it's HaShem cursing me. Right, for all of it, and he was right 100%. So as we said many times in these classes, and like going back to this issue when somebody is cursing you, somebody is like very bad to you. So you remember somebody did whatever bad to you. So remember, it's HaShem allowed that thing to be happen. Why? Because of some reason. Because we deserve it. That's what David said. How do we know? From this story of David, he said, it's not he cursing me, it's HaShem cursing. Of course, he's going to get punished because he signed his volunteer for a job to curse David. That's you're not allowed to curse the king. He's going to pay a heavy price for that, but later on, not right now. You understand? So this story is for us forever and ever to learn the moral lesson. It's HaShem doing, not that person. That person is just delivery man. Is he a low life? 100%. Is HaShem is going to punish him severely for what he did, like public humiliation of the chosen of HaShem, like an anointed king? Absolutely. He's not going to let it go. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Right? But still, David chose not to do it, and that's why he's David. We still talk about him and about Shimon ben Gera only in negative connotation. And all other people who decided to respond and kill somebody, we don't even know their names, and we do not care. But about David, our holy king, we do care. So that's the thing. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.